Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I would like to present a new project idea. It's called the temperature alarm water kettle. So this is the project setup. This is a 1500 watt electric kettle, Arduino Uno, a passive buzzer, two select buttons, 16 by 2 I2C LCD display, 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, and DS18B20 waterproof temperature sensor. So let me just turn on the setup. So this is the LCD display. It says select temperature value. This is the potentiometer, which is used to select the temperature range want to heat the water. So now it's set to 41 degrees Celsius. You can turn the potentiometer to extreme left for minimum of 20 degrees Celsius and maximum of 100 degrees Celsius. For this representation video, I would like to heat the water for close to 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. So I'll just turn it to towards left in the anti-clockwise direction and set it to 42 degrees Celsius. Here C represents 42 degrees Celsius. There are two buttons here. This one is used to select the temperature value and proceed with the heating of water, and this is a reset button wired externally to reset the Arduino Uno. This is the buzzer which beeps when the water reaches selected temperature value. So let's start with the demonstration. This is the DS18B20 temperature sensor. Let's start with the demonstration. I filled this electric kettle with water, and this is the sensor. I will be immersing the sensor inside the kettle and turn on the kettle and simultaneously show you the values it reads and displays on the I2C display, and basically how the project works. So let's start with the demonstration. This is the button to turn on the kettle. Let's turn it on, open the lid for demonstration purpose and immerse the sensor. You can see it's making contact with the water. You can hear the water is boiling. We'll just select the temperature now. This button is used to select the temperature. Water is heating. You can see it displays 29 degrees Celsius. It's now rising to 30 degrees Celsius, 31, 32. The sensor is immersed inside the water. I'll speed up the video. Buzzer is beeping. It says water heated, turn off kettle. So we'll turn off the kettle. The buzzer is still beeping. We need to reset the Arduino Uno. We'll press this button. Arduino is now made to reset. So this was the project demonstration video. Thank you for watching.